بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. صلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Hello students of semester 4. This is lecture number 6, and today this lecture is about the understanding of a text, how to find the ability or how to learn the strategies of understanding a certain text. Our text today is about camels. Here is our text. It is just a paragraph, and it has been chosen as simple as possible so as to find or to make the process easy for you to work a lot on it. The main point of this lesson is to check how to understand the text. Here is our text. It is about camels. Camels are called the ships of the desert. They are the means of transport in the desert. They are used in such dry countries, and it is not hard for them to walk on the sand. Their broad feet do not sink into it. They can go for days without food or water. They store water in their stomachs and food in their hearts. So this is our text of today. We are going to work out on it. And the main point, remember, is how to find or how to learn the strategy of understanding a certain text. Now, after reading the text, you have to read it correctly because, as you know, pronunciation is very important. Because if you don't pronounce words in their correct way, people may not understand you, and this is one of the main reasons why do native speakers show surprise when you pronounce a word in wrong way or in a wrong way. So try to read it more and more so as to practice your level of reading. And this text is not just for reading, it is also for understanding. So it is a comprehensive text which helps you to get information in a way or another. Here we have some questions that help you to get the information so as to check that you understand your text. Now, when you reach the point that you understand the text perfectly or properly at least, now read or go through these questions and try to draw a circle around the letter of the correct answer. I mean, choose the correct answer. Now, the first question is that camels are called the sheep of the. So you have choices. You have three choices. Do we call camels the sheep of the sea, the sheep of the land, or the sheep of the desert? Here the technique is try not to go back quickly to your text. We are trying to check your understanding. So you have to choose one of them, either A, B, or C. Yes, another question is, camels are means of what? Here again, below are some choices. There are three. Camels are means of transport, are they means of communication, or means of happiness? To choose one of them in order to check your understanding. Yes, again, another question is, it is not difficult for camels to walk. choose the correct one. To walk in water or to walk on the sand or to walk in the river. Again, remember, try not to run quickly to your text from your reading. Check your understanding, and I think it is as easy as possible that you can find it. It's available, even if you have read the text once. Yes, to go on checking or is to check your understanding. Here are questions, and this time try to answer them, and they are short questions and choices actually. The camel's feet do not sink into what? The camel's feet do not sink into sand, into forest, or into water. Believe me, if you read the text carefully, even once time is enough for you to find out the best answer. Now the question is, camels can go without food and water for how long? For how long? For months, for days, or for weeks? According to the text, you need to bring your answer according to your text. Sorry. In their humps, camels store what? Do they store fats, store food, or store water? So you need to choose one of the answers. In their humps, camels store what? Fats, food, or water? Now, again, check your understanding to the text and try to write short answers to these questions. Write down short answers. What are camels called from your text? Why could camels walk on the sand? Why they could? Why they have the ability to walk on the sand? The reason, as already mentioned in the text. The third question is, what do camels store in their stomachs? What do they store? Yes, it is a direct question, and you can find it when you go through the text. Okay. Now to the corner of true or false, and again it's in the concern of camels. It is related to the topic of camels. Write true, write T for true, or F for false. Camels are used in dry countries. Is this true or false? No point to choose either T for true or F for false. In the desert, camels travel easily. Is this true or false? Is it true or not true? And this is the end of lecture number 6. I hope you do well. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye. See you next time. Inshallah.